Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back on our T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, and as we promised, we are going to check on the different menus and features of this affordable, okay, decent looking ultra watch clone in the market, the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, it has a beautiful body frame. It's not 49 millimeter as stated on the box. Okay, we already showed to you our last video. It's a 45 or 44 millimeter smartwatch. Okay, still it has a crown button, a bell shape button, and the orange action button here. We are going to check on later if what are the different functions of these buttons. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video review, okay, of the menus and features of the T900 Ultra smartwatch, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's have the T900 Ultra smartwatch and check it out. The menus and features. Okay, on top we have, that is for the message notifications. On the bottom part we have, okay, on the bottom part we have the quick settings. So this is the menu options. Okay, we have the flashlight. I guess this is the maybe sleep mode or do not disturb mode, music, and we have the QR code. Okay, so we have the application here. We have the iWatch Plus. Okay, on the other side, let's see. Okay, on the left side you can let me check. Okay, you can scroll on the different watch faces, the same with the other side here. Okay, let's see if you can use the crown button to scroll on the different watch faces. Okay, yes, you can use the crown button. Okay, we have at least several preloaded watch faces. Okay, so this button, let's see, sort of a back and power on button. Okay, can you use this one? Let's check now. Okay, so that's how you access the main menu. Okay, how about this one? Okay, as expected, it is the action button for dedicated button for sports, as you can see here. Going back. Okay, so let's access the menu. Just press this one. Okay, so we have here the different functions and menus of the smartwatch. Okay, let's change it. Okay, let's see. Style number 2. Okay, so this is what we want, the list menu, so we can check on the different menus and features of the smartwatch. So we have the dialer, phone book, heart rate. Yeah, they will have a blood oxygen, health. What's that? Health cycling. Let me see. Okay, automatic activity tracking here. Okay, stand training steps. Okay, so it has some much better features, I think, with the T800 when it comes to this one. We do have the sports. We have an ECG, blood pressure. We do have music control, reset, okay, weather, anti-loss or looking for, sleep function, menu style. How many menu style do we have? We have at least 5. We'll check on that later on. We have message notification, stopwatch, QR code, okay, Facebook here. Okay, let's go back first. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and calculator. Okay, going back. Okay, let's check. Let's go to the settings. I'm interested in this one. Set language, set time. Okay, Siri. What else? Set date, backlight time. Let's change this. Let's change to 3 minutes. Okay, go back time. Okay, so that's it. Okay, menu style, let's try. We do have 1, the bubble style. 2 is the list. 3, okay. So this is the style number 4. Okay, rotary. Going back, style number 5. Okay, so it's the same with the other one, with a much different layout. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we have at least 5 menu styles. Okay, so for the heart rate, let's see the animation here. Okay, almost the same with the other, okay, smartwatches. Go back. The blood pressure, blood oxygen. Let me check the blood pressure. Okay, so that's it. So it's the blood pressure monitoring. What else do we have? We have camera, phone book. So we have the Bluetooth call support. Then we have the sports. Okay, let's access the sports by using the action button here. Okay, so we have running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. Okay, running, let's see. So it monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. What else? Nothing else. Okay, strength training. So it monitors for the time, beats per minute, and calories. Okay. Okay, what are the other features? Did we miss something? Let's check. QR code. More about, let's see. Watch Ultra. Okay. So you can power off here in the about section. We do have a support for voice command, Siri, language, set time. What else? Okay, nothing else. Backlight time. Do have a setup or time settings for the backlight. Okay, do not disturb mode. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks decent. We do have a an okay slim black border here for the screen display. Okay, so it's bright. Okay, as you can see here, you can still check or see the time on this angle. Okay, so very bright screen display. Do we have an adjustment for this brightness? Okay, seems like we don't have. Okay, brightness display, do we have it here? No, we don't have that. Okay, but anyway, it has a very good screen brightness here. Okay, so it is preloaded with several watch faces. Okay, again, let's take a look at the design of the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the reviews of the menus and features of the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Bye.